Hi, Glenn here from GMT Point and Specialist Limited. Right, I've got a few of these travel mugs left. I won't be getting them in again because they're too expensive to have made. I've got pointing hods. I've got 20 of them. I've got 10 of each of the RST pointing trowels or finger trowels or top pointers, whatever you want to call them. I've got 16mm. I've got the 13mm and I've got the 10mm. I've got about 12 of each of them and I think I've got about 10 of them left. These are £5 each. These cups are £12 each and the hods are £8.50 each. Like I say, I've only got a few left of the cups. They sell quite good. So just give me a message or text if you're interested in any of the stuff I've got for sale. Thank you.